Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can set a nickname in your Instagram chat. So just like Messenger, like when you go to Messenger and you open any chat, let's say I open this chat. Now click on top right side, there are option, I option, now click on this. And here you can see there option called nickname. Simply click on nickname and now you can give nickname to your own number and with whom you are chatting. Just click on that and now you can give it a nickname, any nickname. So just like that you give nickname in Messenger. Now this nickname will be appear in your Messenger and it only available, only visible to you. Now just like you can give a nickname in Messenger, but for that, if you want to give a nickname in your Instagram chat, for that just open your Instagram account and at the top right side just click on Messenger and open any chat. That's so when you open any chat in Instagram, now at the top just click on profile and now you can see there are called option. Simply click on that and you can find there are only three options: strict, block and report, and there is no other nickname option. So just like Messenger, if you want to give a nickname to your chat in your Instagram, you cannot do this now for this time.